Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Raghavendra Mysore. Today we are solving problem number 6 from the unit of triangles of class 10. The question is like this. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitude. So they are saying that there is a triangle by name called as ABC. That triangle is an equilateral triangle. We know that equilateral triangle means the triangle which is having all the sides are equal. And they have given the side measurement as 2A. And we need to find out the altitude, that is a perpendicular line drawn from the top vertex to the base, or we can also call it as the height of the triangle. So we will draw an equilateral triangle, then we will solve this particular problem. So I have drawn the figure of equilateral triangle, and we have given the name of the triangle as ABC, where each side measurement is 2A, and we have also drawn the altitude AD from the top vertex A to the base BC. So we will write on the given here, that is ABC is an equilateral triangle where AD is perpendicular to BC. And when in an equilateral triangle, we need to understand the altitude, the D were a point, the point D will be the midpoint of the base. That is, it is going to divide the length of BC into two equal half. So, and D is the midpoint of BC. I hope that you people have understood up to here. Now, if you carefully observe one of the portion of this particular triangle, it will be the form of right angle triangle. So ABD is a right angle triangle. So AD is perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular means the angle formed on the D, point D, will be 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle. We will use the Pythagoras theorem to find out the length of this altitude, because we know that hypotenuse, which is the hypotenuse in the triangle ABD, that is AB is the hypotenuse, the longest side. So AB square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, that is BD square plus AD square. So we will solve that one. Before solving it, we need to know the measurement of DB or BD. So we can write BC is equal to 2A, that is given, and also the measurement of BC is equal to BD plus DC, where BD measurement is equal to DC measurement, because D is the midpoint, so it divides the length into two equal half. So instead of writing BC, I can write it as 2A, BD as it is, plus DC can also be written as BD, because DC is also equal to BD. So it becomes 2 times of BD is equal to 2A. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So the length of B to D is equal to A. So we got the measurement of DB or BD. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square, which is the hypotenuse here AB square, is equal to opposite is AD square plus and adjacent is DB square. AB is given as 2A, square is whole square. AD, we need to find out, that is the altitude, AD square as it is, plus DB we already found out, that is A square is A square. So 2A square, 2 square is 4, A square. Transpose this A square to the other side, it becomes plus A square becomes minus A square, that is equal to AD square, or AD square is equal to 4A square minus 1A square, that is 3A square. Now I just want to find out the altitude measurement, that is AD measurement. I doesn't need AD square, therefore I need to put square root on both sides. Put square root on both sides. What happens? Square root of AD square is equal to square root of 3A square. Square root get cancels, here it is AD. So root is applicable for 3 as well as a square. So it can be written as root 3 root a square. Root and square get cancels. So AD is equal to root 3a units. So we found out the length of the altitude. The length of the altitude is root 3a. I hope that you people have understood this particular problem. If you have liked this video, please give a like to the video, share the video, and don't forget do a comment. If you are new to my channel, please do support it by subscribing it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be getting all my notifications first. Thanks for watching the video.